Hello viewers, today I am in Plano at the border of Plano and Richardson. This area is close to 75 Expressway and George Bush. And today I'm going to show you, I'm going to a Turkish restaurant. As you know, in Dallas, there are many good Turkish restaurants. There are quite a few. There is Selda. There are a few others ones. I think in Turkey here, but this one is the place that I'm going to take you. It opened a year or 2 years ago. I think it's a part of a franchise, and it is one of the most authentic Turkish restaurants. I think I've been to Turkey, and if you go to Turkey and the type of food you'll experience there and atmosphere, this place has this type of atmosphere. I've only been here once. And the name of this place is Prime Doner, and right now it is around sunset Maghrib time, so I'm going to stop and play Maghrib and then go inside. So let's go and explore and see if the atmosphere is still authentic. The only thing is that they only have very few chicken dishes on the menu. I think there is 1 and 2, mostly beef and lamb. So if you are a chicken eater, you should not come here. And my wife only eats chicken, so usually we don't come here quite often, but they just added another chicken dish. So let's go and explore this place and see how is it from inside. Hello, can I make video here? Okay, I have a YouTube channel. It's a food channel, so I'll cover your restaurant. So give me a good discount for that.
I'll have to talk to the manager.
I mean, I'm just kidding.
It's okay.
Right. So I'll cover that.
For one?
No, I'm with them.
Oh, you guys are together?
Yeah. You have chicken today?
We have chicken, yeah.
Yeah,
We
okay.
have wings and chicken dishes.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Kai.
Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey? What part of Turkey?
Istanbul, big city.
Istanbul?
Yeah.
So all the staff here is from Turkey?
Not all, but majority I would say is from Turkey.
And the chef is also from Turkey?
Chefs are all from
Okay. And the owner is also Turkish?
Owner is Turkish. Yes.
Is it part of a Turkish franchise?
This is a Turkish franchise?
Yeah, this restaurant.
Not really. No. This is our only location.
Oh, really? I thought it's a franchise.
It's not.
Oh, okay.
It's our only location.
Okay, I've been here before. What's your name is Carl?
Kai.
Kyle? Okay. So they have a nice courtyard outside where you can eat. And inside is very nice too. So you just feel like you are in part of it. Let's go and explore the kitchen area. See, they are making doner here. Is that the doner? Assalamu alaikum. What is this?
Job kebab.
Oh, okay. Is it beef or lamb? Okay. Very nice ambience. You feel like you are part of Turkey. They brought some snacks, appetizers. Bread. And let's see their menu. Soups. I mean, we can order soup as well. This is kebab, different type of kebab plates. Iskandar kebab, lahmacun. That is a turkey. Okay. I am no, that's it for me. And then the rice pudding.
Or later?
Later, yeah. Do you guys want Turkish tea or
Can I
something?
get one hog wrap?
Lahmacun java.
Yeah. And can I get a side of fries?
Rice.
Yeah.
I think mine come with fries. This is their patio, which is very nice, and by a ravine and nice breeze. So, where are you from?
I'm from Guatemala.
Oh, Guatemala. Hello. Cage kebab. And there are more kebabs here. The whole kitchen is in front.
Son bile verir misiniz bana? 10 bile. Evet.
These are all the appetizers, free complimentary appetizers which are ready. And they have a nice selection of Turkish desserts. There's the rice pudding with the apricot topping. Baklavas. They brought authentic Turkish lahmacun.
On the table?
This is donut. Oh, okay.
The that's not the yeah, I want this.
Like
Finally, the
yogurt,
donut
yogurt.
plate arrived.
Yeah. Can you bring both? Like,
It's the authentic feel of this place. How's your roll? Is it good? तुम्हारा कैसा है? Orange sauces. Donut plate is amazing. Food was really delicious. I finished half of my donut and I'm going to get it packed and stuff. Dessert we ordered this custard and then Turkish teas. Really good. So we are done, finished dinner here, and it was really good experience. It was authentic Turkish experience. The food and tea and the desserts, everything. So there are a few other places which are very nice, but if you want to get authentic experience of Turkey, of doner and their desserts and tea and other things, then you should definitely come here. And the location is very nice. It's like kind of at the corner by the ravine. So I'll show you a few other places in the next videos. Until then, goodbye.